Alright. Beat that pat down like a cold stomach.
Hey, yo, Vonnie, is that you?
I beat that pat down like a cold stomach. I been out in these streets, just got a road running. Say she ain't picture me like this, I had to pose for. Say she ain't picture me like this, I had to pose for.
Fucking love motorcycles.
Yeah.
Fade away, they watch the drip, but don't slip this shit like Gatorade. Sat in the bleachers, coach told me, hey, get in the game. I started ballin', they was hating, trying to take me out the way. Shit, just yesterday, that.
Okay. Nice little 120p. I just hit a bug. I gotta clean my helmet when I get to the high. See what he doing on this Jetson, man. What he doing on that Jetson, man? I know it was two of y'all back there. Where the other one went? There you go. There go that other dude. Oh, I can keep up now. I don't even know where y'all going, but shit, I want to slide. Shit. Don't play with me now. Don't. Why they want to leave me so much down, man? Yes, sir. I'm following. Just don't bust me now. I just want to play. Yeah, you that. Oh. Oh. Damn. Ah, Hey, bro. Hey, you. Hey, you with bro back there?
Huh?
You with him?
Huh?
Y'all riding up?
Yeah, that's my homie.
Okay, I can go with y'all?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Hey, I need some gas. Okay, 5-0. Hey, I like that. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes, sir. We got some slaughters out here today. They in 5 balls. They in the bites. I hope we don't run out of no fuel. Come on, bro. Pull over for me so I can get some gas. You good, family? You supposed to hit that side. Yes, sir. You hit that side, you go around them. Yes, sir. Oh, I can slide now. There's nothing to it. Skirt. Hey, I need gas. I hope you understood that. Them boys sliding now. He say, Swizz, keep up. Don't tempt me. Woo! Boy, that damn back tire be saving my life, boy. That's the second time now. Hey, you get, hey, what they say, you got 9 lives? Hey, man, that means it's time for me to chill. That's the second time, man. Now pull over to the gas station, family, please. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. What's going on? What's going on, man? Nice to meet you. Yeah, man, my name's Swizz.
John, baby.
John?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, nice to meet you. Oh, that's my YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah.
I do YouTube on the bike. Yes, sir. What's your name?
Tim.
Tim?
Yeah.
Swizz, nice to meet y'all, man.
All right.
Yeah, I want to ride with y'all. I just need to get some gas real quick.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, sir. So, I had just in traffic, done met up with some cool dudes, man. We got Tim and John, both on Suzuki Jixers, and they riding and vibing, man. We got Tim on the back, black one, John on the front, yellow. Yellow, that's my favorite color. What that is, a 600 and a 600. Yes, sir, them boys sliding, man. Some cool dudes, man. They just picked me up on the side of the road, like, man, come on. And I'm like, okay. I'll holler. Come on now, I just got some gas, so you know India ready to slide. Look, she heating up. Yeah, so really I'm playing caboose, playing follow the leader right now. Just seeing if I can keep up with these Jixers. They sliding though. How long you been riding, John?
Huh?
How long you been riding?
I've been around with 6 months.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
I just started. I woke up one day, something go by one, me and my cousin when the bought one.
Yeah.
Riding.
Uh-huh.
I ain't been around for 6 months.
Yes, sir.
Just learned.
Yes, sir. Hey, you doing your thing, though?
Better than
Yes,
me.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, excuse me. Where did you go for your tattoos, man? Those things awesome. Zemo? Yes, sir. Thank you. But yeah, so I think I had the camera in the wrong mode that whole time. Basically, I just met my mans out here. Cool as hell. Timothy. This dude literally just rode up on me. I rode up on him on the side of the road. And I say, bro, where you going? He said, shit, I'm just riding. I say, what up? Let's ride. He said, all right, let's do it. Damn, I'm mad that I missed all that footage. But I was saying, really just, I want to thank God, man, for all this. Because, you know, my boy Jerry skipped out on me, and now I'm out here with I done met 3 people today. Cool people, man. y'all gotta get out, man, and meet some people and just get right, man. I told y'all my goals at the beginning of this year was to meet new people and really just branch out and just ride with some cool sliders, man. Build a community of cool sliders. That's all I want, you know. We're gonna get right. See, I'm really gonna slide though. That's the only thing. I got that rider mentality. I've been riding for too long. I know how to finagle a lot of shit. But that's why I was saying I don't like to lead the pack because I do dumb shit. Woohoo! Oh.
Hey, see that bitch?
Oh shit.
That,
Boy, you scared me just then, boy.
I was like, this big.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that bitch.
Yeah.
I definitely looked.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Your blind side, you gotta really look.
Oh.
Yeah. Boy, you just scared the fuck out of me, boy.
I see that. That would have been my fault.
Yeah.
Oh.
Boy, I'd have ran the picture I shot like, let's go.
Oh, I had to get out of here.
Yeah. Leave the bike, nigga. Let's go. Get on the bike.
Fucking love motorcyclists, bro.
Huh?
Fucking love motorcyclists.
Yeah. Damn. Okay. Hey, that bitch said no, thank you. She didn't even know what it was.
I don't want any drugs.
Yeah. Karen, just take the sticker, Karen. Jeez. Hey, boy, your eyes are sliding. Yeah. So look, man, today was a beautiful day, lovely day, fantastic day, had a fun day. We got a certified bug eater right now.
Still alive! Oh, so delicious!
What's going on, bug eater? How you doing, family? What your boyfriend is? That's the second bug that hit my helmet, so I know them boys eating today. Them bug eaters is getting fed today. I done killed 2 bugs today. Boy, y'all boys out here eating. But yeah, man, I really enjoyed myself today, man. No lie. Beautiful weather. Nice sliding with my boy Tim. You know, them boys ain't show me no love just then. That's crazy. Oh, he did me dirty. Oh. You made me. What the hell is he telling people that? That's crazy. Hey, boy, I almost lost you. Damn, we gotta get some of these. Ooh. That boy did it. He's sliding. Hey, he is sliding. All right. I guess I gotta keep up. They thought about getting the... My shit at Hope with the reason why they let him borrow my start. I'm still working on my off day. Let it be mutual. Oh, being in the movie.
Got that bitch up a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Hey, I seen it. Yes, sir. Hey, you doing them better than me. I just popped that bitch. She trying to whack a bit. Hey. That boy got scared. Boy, he almost got hit today, so I don't blame him. Shit. Hey, just to warn you, you might want to take it easy on this road. Niggas get hit a lot on this road. Yeah, so just be careful, cause the cars, bro, niggas be getting hit. Yes, sir. This like one of the roads, I be chilling on this road. Cause one, police be out here, and two, the cars, bro, niggas be getting hit for real. Yeah, it's just too much shit going on. But shit, you know. Yes, sir. All right, my boy. Ah. Hey, yes, sir. Yes, sir. To everybody who's been watching my video today, I just want to say, first off, thank you for the love. You made it this far in this video. You know, I gotta say thank you. Gotta show you some love. And stay safe. You know how I like to end my videos out, man. Like, if you know something, then you know something. Alright, I'll holler. Peace.
Well, and call the plug, let them know I need a hunt off face. Ain't shit changed about me, nigga, I'm just running weight. I mean, I gained a couple pounds, but I'm still running weight.